Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to do a quick hands-on and initial impressions of the brand new Honor 20. Unfortunately, my time with the Honor 20 Pro was cut short and we have the Honor 20 in the house, so let's not waste any time. Let's see what makes this device special. This is TK and this is XDATV. And here we have the brand new Honor 20. Now, keep in mind that the Honor 20 and the Honor 20 Pro both have quad camera setups on the back. The configuration is a little bit different, and I'm going to go through some of the main differences. As I showed you guys with the Honor 20 Pro video not that long ago, we have 4 cameras in the back. Now, on that one, we have a 48 megapixel at f1.4. What we have here is a 48 megapixel at f1.8. Slightly smaller aperture, but again, still a really nice one, and f1.8 is not bad. We have a 16 megapixel sensor here right next to that, and that's an f2.2 sensor. That's for the ultra wide lens. And then what happens here essentially is that we change from, as opposed to having basically an 8 megapixel telephoto lens, we have a 2 megapixel, and that's basically used as a depth sensor, which means we don't use it for pictures. It's mostly used for information so that it actually does that bokeh effect very nicely. Last but not least is still the 2 megapixel macro lens that we had on the other device. Aesthetically though, also just as a main difference, you'll notice that the dual tone LED flash is sitting directly into that camera hump, where we had it sitting right beneath the macro lens on the Honor 20 Pro. The glass is definitely very nice. We have some specific colors unique to the Honor 20. Of course, we have Honor here. On the right side, we have the fingerprint sensor that also doubles as the, obviously, power button. So right there, and you can actually see it works extremely well, very, very fast. If you just want to unlock the device without unlocking it directly in, you just press a little bit lower here and it unlocks it. You can swipe up and then you can use face unlock, as it also is supported. That volume rocker right there and nothing else. So on the front, we have a 6.2-inch IPS LCD panel that's rated to be a 1080p panel. We have a 32 megapixel camera that's sitting on the top left, and essentially is the same that we have it on the Honor 20 Pro, and that one's sitting in at f2.0. We're able to go up to 1080p on the front-facing camera and up to 4K at 30 frames per second on the back camera. The camera application does have some slight changes or differences. We don't have the telephoto option. We just have the ability of going from 1 to 2 times, and that's mostly digital zoom, and of course the ability of jumping in directly into the ultra wide lens. The really nice thing is that you're able to do this when you're in the video. So if you're recording a video, you're able to jump into the wide angle lens, the telephoto with the digital zoom, as well as the standard focal length directly within the actual same video. GBE Turbo 3.0 is here and at present. We just have to go into the app assistant, turn on game acceleration and or uninterrupted gaming, and of course add your application, and both Fortnite and PUBG are compatible with the new UI. Under device connectivity, you can see we have NFC, Huawei Beam, Huawei Share, Easy Projection, and as well as wireless projection for the projection of the Magic UI desktop experience directly to any TV on the same network that supports it. But we also have support here for Super Bluetooth, the ability of going a very long distance and be able to still maintain a connection, as using the AI built into the Kirin 980, the ability for us to be able to actually get a customized experience, and that gives us the ability of actually being able to go much longer and much further of basically a straight line of sight connection between this and, let's say, a Bluetooth connected headset, and still maintain good quality audio. Now, I'll have a dedicated video for you guys on this coming up next week, just to showcase the difference, and I'll test out basically this device against a couple of other devices just to see how the Bluetooth performs and how far is the range of actually the Super Bluetooth, and how much better it is. And I'll go ahead and show you guys real quick a quick selection of pictures that I've taken directly with the Honor 20. The Honor 20 gives us a lot of the benefits that we have from the Honor 20 Pro at a much lower price, and where it still keeps a lot of the main features. So we still have the 48 megapixel sensor. It is at f1.8 as opposed to an f1.4, but again, still really nice with AI clarity. We still have the ability of using a 16 megapixel ultra wide lens, and as well as the fact that we still have that macro lens. Now the difference, of course, is that we lost the telephoto lens and we just have a depth sensor there. So in reality, the Honor 20 only has 3 functioning cameras, with the 4th one is more of an assist. And then on the front, we still have the 32 megapixel sensor, the 6.2-inch display, the 1080p, all the different things, well, all the same things as well as the Honor 20 Pro for the lower price. Battery is a little bit smaller, as well as RAM is a little bit less, but that's, to be expected, as this is the standard 20 and that was more of the Pro. But again, let me know in the comments below what do you guys think. Expect that video from me regarding the Bluetooth or the Super Bluetooth coming out next week. And we're going to test it out and put it head to head with other devices and see, does the actual range really increase so much more when you're using the Honor 20? This is TK and this is XDATV. Thank you very much for the support. Make sure to check out my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.